Now students, let us take some more examples. Here we have to write the number. Okay, means number name is given and we have to write the number. And we have to write the number according to Indian place value system and according to international place value system also beta. We have to check the number name is given according to which system. Okay. So here 1 crore 4 lakhs 58,043 is given and we have to write the number. So this number is given. This number name is given according to Indian place value system because here is given crore. Okay, and crore will come in the Indian place value system. So we have to write the number according to Indian place value system. Okay. And here you can see the places according to Indian place value system. So here from left side first will come crores period, then lakhs, then thousands, then ones period. Okay. So here beta 1 crore. Okay. So first we will write 1 in the crores period. Only 1. We are having only 1 in the crores period. So first we will write 1. Then after we will put comma. Okay. Then after that 4 lakhs. Means in the lakhs period. After crore here we are having lakhs period. And here we are having 2 digits. But here we are having only 4. 4 lakhs. Means we will write only 4 in the lakhs period. Okay. So here we will write 04 because there should be 2 digits in the lakhs period. So we will write 04 because 04 means 4. Okay. 4 lakhs. If we will write like this, then it will be 40 lakhs, not only 4. But here we need to write only 4. So we will write 4. Okay. And if you will write only 4 like this and then comma, then it will be wrong because here you can see we are having 2 digits. Okay. So here we need to write 2 digits in this period. Now after lakhs we are having here first put comma, then 58,000s. 58,000s. So 58 will come in the thousands period. After lakhs we are having thousands period and we are having only 2 digits and here also we are having 2 digits. So no need to put any 0. 58. So here we will write 58. Then put comma. Then 43. Only 43 means only 2 digits. But in the ones period we are having 3 digits. So here there should be 3 digits. So we will write like this. No, because here we are having only 2. But here should be 3 digits. So where we will put the 0? Here? No, because it will be 430 because we need to write only 43. So we will write 0 in the hundreds place. Okay. So like this we have to write this number. 1 crore 4 lakhs 58,000 and 43. Now let us see the next number. 6 crores 6 lakhs. 6 crores. Crores will come in the Indian place value system. So here also we have to put the commas according to Indian place value system. So now beta, first is written 6 crores. 6 crores. So we will write only 6. Okay. And you know in the crores period we are having 2 digits. But if we will write like this, then also it will be same because 6 or 06 both are same. Okay. So at the first no need to put the 0. Okay. As your wish. You can write or not. So 6 crores then comma. And after crores here is given 6 lakhs. And you know after crores here also we are having lakhs period. So here we will write 6 lakhs. 6 means as a number only 6. 6. So we will write like this. No beta. Here we need to write 2 digits. So we will write like this. No, it will be wrong because it means 60 lakhs. but here we need to write only 6 lakhs. So we will write 0, 6. Okay. Then put comma. But here after that we don't have any number. So what we will do? Here after lakhs period, what will come? Thousands period. But here we don't have any number. So what we will do? Here we need to put 0, 2 zeros for these two places. Then after that we will put comma, and after that what we will come? What will come beta? After these ones period, and ones period is having 3 digits. So here we will write 3 zeros. Okay. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, and here lakhs, 6 lakhs, here 10 lakhs, and here crores. So 6 crores, 6 lakhs. Okay. Now next is 4,642,551. So here beta 4 millions. Millions is given. So this number is given according to international place value system, because millions come in the international place value system. So here we will put the commas according to international place value system, and here you can see the places according to international place value system. Ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s, and after 10,000 will come 100,000. But here after 10,000 come lakhs. Okay. So here 100,000s, then million, then 10 millions, then 100 millions. Okay. So here beta, we will write 4. First we will write 4. Okay. 4 millions. After millions, what will come? After millions, thousands period will come. And here you can see we are having 3 digits in this period. So you can write like this also. Okay. If you will write like this, then it will be wrong beta, because it's only 4 millions, not 400 millions. Okay. So you will not put the 0 after 4. We can put zeros before this 4, or as your wish. If you will not write these 0, then also it will be correct. So 4 millions, then comma. Now start thousands period. So here 642,000. 642 thousands. So in the thousands periods will come 642. 642. Okay. And here we are having 3 digits. And here also we are having 3 digits. So no need to put any 0. Now put comma. Now start ones period. Okay. So here after this thousands, 551. So 551. Here we are having 3 digits. And here also we are having 3 digits. So no need to put any 0. Okay. So how can we read it? 4,642,551. Now let us see next. 65,004,002. Okay. So here also millions is given. So this number also we have to write according to international place value system. So here beta, first we will write 65 in the millions period. Okay. Then put comma. Then 4,000s. Okay. And then 2. So 65. 65. Then after millions we will put the comma. Okay. And here you can put 0 also. Now 4,000s means in the thousands period we are having only 4. But here we need to write 3 digits. So what we will do? Yes, we will put 0, 0 means 0, 0, 4, because here we need to write 3 digits in this period. So 0, 0, 4. Okay. Not like this or not like this. These are wrong. Okay. So we will write only 0, 0, 4, because we have to write only 4,000s. So 4, and this 4 will come in the thousands period. So 4,000s. Then comma. Okay. Now only 2 is given. But here also we need to write 3 digits. So Here also we need to write like this. No, it will be wrong, beta. Because here only 2 is given, but we need to write here 3 digits. So here also we will write 0, 0, 2. Because here only 2 is given. So 65 millions 4,002. Here we need to write 0. It's compulsory. But here no need to put the 0. Because you know before the whole number there is no value of the 0. But between में हमें 0 लिखने की need है बेटा. Okay. If you will not write 0 in the between then it will be wrong. But here no need to put any 0. अगर आप यहाँ write नहीं करोगे 0 then also it will be right. Okay. I hope you all have understood that how can we read and write the number according to Indian place value system and international place value system. Now you have to write the number name of these numbers according to Indian and international place value system. Okay. First we have to put the commas according to Indian place value system and then according to international place value system, and then you have to write the name. Thank you.